All right, guys, we are here at the Dunn's home, excuse me, looking to do full replacement on the air handler with an electric heat strip, switching out everything, converting to 410 with a new condenser outside. To give you an idea of where we are at, front door is back that way. So as you come in the front, stairs are on your right. This will all need to be covered. We'll have to have tarps for everything. I'll give you a quick rundown. We're looking at a 2-ton air handler. It'll be the TEM4. I've already verified availability. Looking at 17 and a half. Let me grab my measurements here. Hang on a second. TEM4 is B width, which this is also B width. Be 45 inches tall. This is a total of 47, which it does have the slim fit filter housing. So by the time we get a new one of those put on, will be almost the exact same overall height. Depth is a little bit shorter. It's only 21 inches deep on the new one. A couple things we need to look at. First is they have had in the past an issue with the drain, which this was the original drain here. Had some backup issues which leaked downstairs. At some point, they had a condensate line put on it, or condensate pump, excuse me, that is running up through the attic here and then ties into the plumbing in the house. But what we'd like to do is, while we're doing all this work, you can see there is no safety pan, there's no drip tray, no wet switch. What I'd like to do is take the air handler out, take this out, which this is, let me grab my measurements again. This little bottom piece is 10 by roughly 31. I'd like to take that whole thing out, take these wooden legs out, which there's 4 of them. You can see back there. Take all this out, and then I'll have in the checklist, we'll prefab a drip tray. Probably be somewhere around like 20 by 50, 20 by 40. Basically just covering this entire area here. Put a 2-inch lip on it, and we'll put a safety puck wet switch down inside of it. And then we'll put the new condensate pump down inside that as well. So if there are any issues in the future, that'll detect it and shut it all off. Line sets are running R22. We'll need to cut and flush all that out, pressure test it, and then convert over. Up here on the top, this section of the sheet metal, you can see from this seam below is all rusted out. I'll go ahead and pull it from this seam. There is also one up here if you need to take it from up here. This stuff will just have to be, this will have to be bent on site. This bottom section here, though, I'll have that on the checklist. We'll prefab that, throw it on the truck. Thermostat sitting right here. We'll do the VPR Vision Pro 8000. Tie that into the Honeywell app for the customer. It is a single 60, I believe. Yeah, single 60. We'll do a 10 kW heat kit on that.